Hey guys, Phil Baumhart here. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my burnishing wheels for my leather work. So as you can see, my one burnishing wheel broke, so I got to make another one. So this is one that I've got that still works. This is for like a single piece of leather. This was one that I would use for a finished sheath, so it was about 3 inches of leather. So I got to make one anyway, so I figured I'd take you along and show you kind of a DIY option for making a burnishing wheel. So the old burnishing wheel was birch. You know, I just had a branch that was a good diameter, and you know, it was nice and soft, so I was able to work it fairly easily. So I've got this hickory branch, so I'm gonna try using this instead, because it's obviously a much stronger wood. Okay, so here's what we got, just a little disc. So now we got to get it on the bench grinder. So I can already tell that hole is just a little too small. I didn't have the perfectly sized drill bit, but we'll see. So last time with the birch bark, this is what I did. So we're gonna give another shot here with the hickory. So I'm just letting the threads of the grinder kind of work their way onto the branch here. So it's working. Well, we're on there. So please don't take this as a as advice. This is just the way that I'm doing it. So get this nut on here just so it doesn't come flying off. Well, now the threading here is all filled up with wood, so that's not good. Okay, so I got the thread on there. There goes our bark. So I just got a round file here, and I'm just going to use this to groove the hickory here. You can see how that's working. So for like a single piece of leather, this would be good. I'm going to have to widen it out quite a bit, but you get the idea. So I'm trying to apply pressure outward instead of inward. Trying to widen this out. Okay, not too shabby. I'm going to try a half round file. I'm going to see how that works. So you can see from the friction, sometimes we're just burning that wood. The file's all gummed up with the wood. That's what's happening here. A little bit too narrow. I do need that wider. There's a slightly larger round file. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Let's give that a test. Okay, so I got a sheath for one of my D-guard Bowie knives. The edge has not been burnished yet, so I first use water, and then I do beeswax as the final coating. If you don't wet this down or have something on here, it's going to burn the leather. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so we're getting the edges good, but not the center. So I think I need to. Yeah, we're not getting the very center. So I gotta dish out a little bit more on the edges there. Okay, let's try that. Okay, yeah, I think that did a lot better. Yeah, I think we're good on that one. So let's try a bit of beeswax, and we'll see how that looks. And so the burnishing wheel itself will get impregnated with the beeswax as time goes on, as I do more sheaths, so it kind of gets better with age, as it were. Okay, so there's what the sheath is looking like. So we're getting the edge of the leather, so that's nice and smooth. So that's actually, as far as the width, that's actually perfect. So awesome. And so I usually go over these with a hand tool, just to kind of hand burnish it. But I'm really happy with the way that one worked out. So I'm back in business. So all right, well that's all I got for you guys today. So this is just a just a bench grinder. I'll put my wire wheel on here, and these burnishing wheels, I'll kind of switch them out as necessary. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video, and if you want to try this for yourself, give it a shot. But be careful about doing it. These things are no joke, so make sure you got eye protection on and all that good stuff. So that's all I got for you guys today. I'm gonna keep working on some sheaths. So thanks for watching, and until next time, be more Viking.